Hello bachcho, how are you? Fine? Sir, not that fine, because NEET exams are just near to us and preparation are not that well. That's why PW has bought you the NEET English crash course. Yes, you have heard it right. PW is launching its first English crash course for all the NEET aspirants out there. Where is this crash course? Of course, in the PW mobile app. If you don't have the PW mobile app, just go to the Google Play Store and download PW mobile app. Go to the batches section and you can find NEET English crash course. The entire cost of the course is very low, and that is only 1800 rupees. Yes, you have heard it again correct. 1800 rupees for the complete crash course of NEET. And that will be totally in English. The classes will be starting from 22nd of April. So 22nd April, we are going to begin the class and teach you everything. Yes, every concepts, make you practice lot of questions and also give you lot of tests and their video solution. Let's go to the batch detail and hear in detail what all this NEET English crash course batch consists of. Where is this batch? Of course, I am repeating again, it's in the PW mobile app. What is the cost? Only and only 1800 rupees. When it is going to start? It is going to start from 22nd of April. Will it cover all the concepts, all the questions, lots of PYQ? Yes, it will cover each of these. Let's go further and see what this crash course includes. Language shouldn't become barrier. Entire India will learn together. For a long time, PW has been a English speaking platform. More or less, we speak in Hindi, we write in English. A lot of North Indian or the North or Central Indian students connect with us. But a lot of Indians coming from South, the South Indians were missing this. They were always telling us that we have a lot of difficulty in understanding your dialect, understanding what you speak in Hindi, though we get the notes. Don't worry, now we are coming in complete English in the PW app as well. So this is the first time PW paid course in the app, and I promise you its quality will be very high like our previous English batches. So language shouldn't become barrier. Entire India will learn together. Now whole of India, the majority of India understands English, and that's the reason that we are bringing this NEET English crash course. Going further in this crash course, the batch details will be, we will cover complete syllabus for PCB for NEET 2022. Of course, we will cover the complete syllabus of physics, chemistry, biology for NEET 2022. What next? Scheduled recorded lectures. If you miss any, you can watch it later anytime. So how the lectures will be delivered? How we will teach? We will teach in the form of recorded lectures. The lectures will be recorded so that you can save time, you can increase the speed, you can skip the part that you already know. Live lectures waste a little bit of time which we cannot afford right now at the end phase. So it will be recorded lectures. If you miss the lecture, you can repeat it any number of times. All the lectures will be available to you till the NEET exam. Yes, all the lectures. You can watch it any number of times. DPP and its detailed video solution will be provided. So what else will be there? There will be daily practice problem and their video solution. What is daily practice problem? After each lecture, you will get a assignment or DPP consisting of 15 questions which are based on the topic which are taught in the class. Suppose we have 3 classes today, physics, chemistry and biology. Each class will have its own separate DPP, and each DPP will consist of 15 questions related to the topic that have been taught in the class. What if we don't get the questions of the DPP? What if we cannot solve those questions by ourselves? Don't worry, on the very next day you will get the complete video solution of the DPP. So firstly, you will be given the lectures, a physics lecture, a chemistry, a bio lecture. Then along with it, you will get a DPP, daily practice problem, consisting of 15 questions related to the lecture. And then if you are stuck in some of the questions, you can see the video solution of DPP as well. Okay. Going further, PDF notes of each lecture will be provided. So what will you get more? PDF notes. So suppose you are out somewhere in the market, gonna buy some dhania or some carrot or something, but there's a long queue and you are waiting. So you don't need to waste your time. Just take out your mobile, switch on the PW app, and you can revise the class notes, because all the class notes will be available to you in the form of PDF. So all the notes will be in the form of PDF, though I request you to make your own notes in your handwriting. Yes, that very poor handwriting. That's the best thing to do, to make your own notes. Okay, what else we will have in this batch? Okay, then we'll be having weekly test will be conducted for the best preparation. So you will be having weekly test as well, to check your preparation, to enhance your preparation, to know your weak points and to improve them. So you'll be having test, and you will be also getting the complete video solution of the test conducted. That is very important. You gave a test, you know, okay, I cannot solve this question number 14, I cannot solve question number 20th, I cannot solve question number 40th. So what should I do? You should see the video solution of that particular question, and you can analyze how your preparation is going. Tests are very important. Don't skip the test. Tests are the most important part of this competitive exams preparation. What next we are going to have? Next is the lecture planner and the test planner that you can see in the PW mobile app. So you don't have to do anything. You just need to go to the PW mobile app, go to the batches section, and then click on the NEET English crash course. Go to the classroom section, and you can find the planner, that how the classes will be conducted, in how many class electrostatics will be finished. I'm a physics teacher, so I'll talk about physics only. I'll give the example of physics. In how many classes you will finish the magnetism, in how many class electricity is gonna be completed. So that's all will be given in the planner. And the test planner as well, that in the first test how many chapters are going to be there, in the second test what is the test syllabus. So all that in detail is given. I'll request the team to paste the link of the lecture planner and test planner just below the video in the description as well as comment section. Going further, batch will be accessible till NEET 2022. I have already told you that these lectures, these daily practice problem, their video solution, the test, their video solution, everything will be accessible to you till NEET exam 2022. What is your weekly schedule? So weekly schedule is like you will be having 6 days a week class, Monday to Saturday, and every day you are going to have 3 class. Physics 9 AM to 11 AM, chemistry 11:15 to 1:15, and then biology 1:30 to 3:30. So every day you are going to have 3 classes. See, now we don't have a lot of time left, so you need to have a 6-hour class every day, 2 hours for each subject with us, and after that you have to study for another, say, 8 to 10 hours. Definitely, if you want to crack NEET from here, you need to work hard. So you'll be having 2 hours class of each subject every day, and those will be 6 days classes, Monday to Saturday. Okay, moving further, let's know your teachers, your NEET faculties, the awesome teachers of PW. So first of all, let me introduce you with Kshitij sir in physics, who is having a 8+ years of teaching experience. He has produced recent all India ranks in IIT JEEs like All India rank 31, All India rank 92, All India rank 108, and more than 30 selections in top 500. Okay, that's quite a lot of credential. Recent AIRs in NEET, if we talk about the exams you are going to give, the NEET exams, he has produced 89 rank, a double-digit rank, 128 All India rank, 356 All India rank in NEET. So 2 triple-digit ranks as well, and more than 40 selections in the top 1000. So in the top 1000 ranks, he have produced more than 40 students. I hope next in this line is you, and I'm hoping you are somewhere here in the beginning with 01, AIR 01. So that's Kshitij sir for you. Let's talk about chemistry. We have a very strong trio in chemistry. If we talk about the physical chemistry, you have the marvelous Kamal sir, who has a 6+ years of teaching experience, who is himself an IIT Dhanbad pass out, and he just loves teaching, and you will just connect with him. So a master of physical chemistry. If we talk about organic chemistry, you have Sagar sir, 13 years of teaching experience, taught and mentored more than 25,000 students. So organic chemistry will be tackled by Sagar sir. And if we talk about inorganic chemistry, you have your brilliant inorganic chemistry teacher Atul sir, 7+ years of teaching experience, mentor of a student who scored 100% in chemistry in JEE Mains 2021. So all these are the brilliant masters you are going to have. This is a very strong trio. If I combine their experience, 6 plus 13 plus 7 years, there's a lot of experience that you need. I think the sum of their experience is more than your age. So don't doubt them, just follow them, follow what they say. If we talk about your most important subject, biology, the subject that has the maximum weightage in NEET. So if we talk about biology, you have your Jeetu Bhaiya in botany, popularly known as Jeetu Bhaiya, Biswajit sir, the Jeetu Bhaiya of PW. Work experience is 9+ year, ex-faculty of reputed institutes, and he loves his students so much. He has so many tricks and he has a vast teaching experience. If we talk about the zoology, you have your favorite Diksha ma'am over here. More than 6 years of experience in coaching industry, mentored single-digit and double-digit rankers of NEET. Yeah, you heard it right. Mentored single-digit and double-digit rankers of NEET. So this is the strong team that is going to be with you till the NEET exam. Now you need to be focused and follow their every bit. And I tell you, nothing can stop you from here. So what else we have? Okay, we have a study material as well that is known as Sprint for NEET. To be very honest, at this time, the study material which will be given in the batches, like the lecture notes, like the daily practice problem, like the test, this will be more than sufficient for you because not a lot of time is left. But still, if you need to practice more problem, or I can find some students whose preparation is already fine, they just need to practice more. So for those students who want to practice more and more question and couldn't decide and can't decide that what books they should prefer, for them we have prepared our own study material known as Sprint for NEET. This is the hard copy of study material. This is a set of 8 books that will be delivered to your home. So what is this? Based on the latest exam pattern to cover the complete NEET for last minute preparation. Yes, it has been designed keeping in mind the need of the student in the last minute. What else contains a total of 8 books? As I have told you, there will be 8 books, 2 for physics, 2 for chemistry, 2 for biology. 2 physics, 2 chemistry, 2 biology. Sir, these are 6. Where are the remaining 2? The remaining 2 are the solution book to the questions given in these books. Okay, sir, what does this book consist of? What are the questions? What does this include? So it includes crisp theory. First of all, we are going to have a very crisp theory, but it will cover maximum concepts, don't worry. Level wise questions, level 1, level 2, different level of questions. And last 10 years, previous year questions for NEET. So you'll having lot of PYQs, last 10 years PYQ. Elaborated answer for every question for better understanding. You are also going to have elaborated answers, in detail answer, the text solution. That's why there are 2 books in this package only for the solutions. You can order this book as well, the set of these books known as Sprint for JEE, only at the price of 1500 rupees. Now let me clear you. You can subscribe the batch alone. You can subscribe the batch and the modules. You can subscribe the books alone. You can do all the 3 combinations. How can you purchase these books? How can you subscribe to these books? Just by going into the batch section and adding the books. And if you want to purchase the book alone, you have to go to the book section of PW, and from there you can purchase these books. Okay. Moving ahead, payment related issues. If you are going to have any kind of issues that you are not able to make a successful payment or any kind of such problem, you can just click in the link given below. We will paste the link in the description about the payment issues. You can also go to the PW app in the home page, in the home section of PW app. You will get 3 horizontal lines in this corner. Click on those lines and you will get contact us. Click on contact us, and then I think you are mature enough to know what you do. If you are having a payment issue, click here, app issue, subscription issue, whatever issue you have, just click here and write your issue and just tell us, and we will definitely respond you as soon as possible. So thank you. That's all from now. Note: to avoid any kind of discrepancy, please buy batch, test series or any book material through our official PW app or website. Okay, so to avoid any kind of malpractices that are happening already in the world out there, if you want to subscribe to any of the PW batch, or if you want to subscribe to any of our books, if you are to purchase the books, purchase it only from the PW mobile app downloaded from Google Play Store. It notes and it is known as Physics Wala app, or go to our official website physicswala.live. Yes, important information for all the students who don't want to study from mobile phone, who want to study from laptop or desktop. You can also study from laptop or desktop just by going to our website www.physicswala.live. That's all from today. This is the NEET English crash course starting from 22nd of April, and the total cost of the course is 1800 rupees only. My all wishes are with you, and the next line I always used to speak in Hindi, I'll go in Hindi again. पढ़ाई करते रहें, all the very best.